Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eric Levine with Beneteau America. It's a beautiful day today in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'd like to welcome you aboard the Beneteau Oceanis 46.1. Planned today, we're going to pick up the legendary Matthew Morrison with Denison Yachting. We're going to go for a sail in the Atlantic, and it's going to be awesome. Welcome aboard. Conditions today, about 20 knots of wind from the southeast, seas 2 to 3 feet. We have a single reef in the main, single reef in the jib, and she's singing along happily here at about 7.5 knots. Just a lovely, lovely, lovely sailing boat. It's on a day like this in near perfect conditions that I realize that my favorite thing about this boat is its versatility. You can take this thing out by yourself. It works really well as a double-handed boat like we're doing today with Matt. But you can also bring your whole family out, a big crew of friends. Wherever you want to go, whatever you want to do, it's a package that just works. It'll fit right to your expectations, right to your needs. Whatever you choose to do with your Beneteau, it'll be ready.